In his book, Futurist, How to Use Science Fiction for Future Forecasting, author Mark M. Whelan presents a thought-provoking and insightful exploration of the role of science fiction in forecasting and addressing the multifaceted challenges posed by the rapid advancement of artificial intelligence, AI systems in our society. Whelan's work provides a comprehensive guide for legislators and policymakers, enabling them to navigate the complex landscape of AI governance with a deep understanding of its potential consequences. By examining captivating themes such as digital DNA, sex robots, and tokenomics, Whelan adeptly demonstrates the power of science fiction as a tool for anticipating future scenarios and crafting robust policies. Whelan's 5-point procedural sprint guide in Futurist, How to Use Science Fiction for Future Forecasting, stands as an exceptional framework for policymakers and legislators engaging in scenario planning based on the latest factual advancements in AI systems. Each sprint within the guide provides a structured approach to comprehensively understand, analyze, and derive valuable insights for effective AI governance. Sprint 1 encourages policymakers to select relevant scientific domains and construct vivid worlds grounded in scientific principles, while emphasizing the importance of mastering the latest terminology. Sprint 2 highlights the significance of identifying scientific inflection points and understanding their potential implications, thereby enabling legislators to anticipate disruptive technological advancements. Sprint 3 prompts a deep exploration of the societal ramifications resulting from the advancements, allowing policymakers to address potential challenges and proactively shape AI governance policies. Sprint 4 emphasizes the critical human inflection point, urging legislators to consider the social, ethical, and psychological impacts on individuals and communities. Lastly, Sprint 5 consolidates the knowledge gained throughout the process, enabling policymakers to distill key takeaways and utilize them in formulating robust AI governance frameworks. Whelan's supplemental sections, including example analysis, further analysis, cinema as futurist fiction, and areas to avoid, provide additional tools and insights that enrich the procedural guide, empowering legislators to navigate the complex terrain of AI governance with precision and foresight. Whelan embarks on a compelling journey, highlighting the intrinsic connection between science fiction and futurism. Drawing upon the works of renowned authors, he establishes that science fiction acts as a compelling medium for envisioning potential futures shaped by advancements in AI systems. Legislators, in particular, can harness this power to anticipate the impacts of emerging technologies and steer society toward desirable outcomes. Whelan's eloquent analysis encourages policymakers to embrace science fiction as a valuable instrument for shaping AI governance policies. Futurist, How to Use Science Fiction for Future Forecasting, by Mark M. Whelan, stands as an indispensable resource for legislators and policymakers seeking to address the challenges arising from the rapid advancement of AI systems in our society. Through a masterful blend of thought-provoking analysis and captivating science fiction examples, Whelan elucidates the power of anticipatory thinking and scenario planning in crafting robust AI governance policies. By delving into compelling themes such as digital DNA, sex robots, and tokenomics, Whelan equips legislators with the necessary insights to navigate the intricate landscape of AI governance and ensure a future that upholds ethical standards, safeguards privacy, and fosters equitable access to AI-driven benefits. This work's intellectual depth and eloquent prose make it an invaluable tool for legislators, offering a visionary framework for addressing the complexities of AI governance in the pursuit of a better tomorrow.